my name is Asfa Umaira binti Zana Azuddin and my matrix ID is 20246687776. Today we are going to be solving part A, question 1. Bella deposited Rm3000 in an account at 8% compounded every 6 months. After 3 years, the amount in your account becomes 5,619 ringgit. Find the value of T. As for these questions, we are going to find how many years it took for Bella money to grow. And we are going to use S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of N. After that, we are going to take out all the information given to put it in the formula. P is the starting money equals to 3,000. K is the annual interest rate, which is 0.08. M equals to 2 because it's every 6 months. S equals to 5,619. I equals to K over M equals to 0.04. N equals to 2 times P equals to 2T. After that, we are just going to substitute all the values in the formula. Now we are going to solve for T. Since T is in the exponent, we are going to use log to break it down. Use log on both sides. After that, let's change place to find T and simplify it. And just like that, we got our answer by 8 years.
For question 2 is, Karen invests 40,000 in Dynamic Bank with K% compounded every 3 months for 15 years. If the balance in his account after 15 years is Rm 142,365 and 45 cents, find the K. So we use formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I equal power of N. So, and then we put all the information into the formula. So the S is 40,000 ringgit, M is 4, P is 15 years, N equals to 4 times 15, and the answer for N is 60, and I equals to K over 4. So we put all the information into the formula, and then we get the answer is 0.08553, but we have to time with 100, and the final answer is 8.55%.
Hi, my name is Nur Irdina Shazwani binti Sharifuddin, and my ID number is 2024264082. Question number 3. Nur Jewel Bank offers 2 interest rates for fixed deposits as follows. Package A, 8.55% compounded every 2 months, and Package B, 6.2% compounded monthly. For question number 1, if Hilal intends to invest 20,000 ringgit for 3 years, calculate the compound amounts and interest that will be earned for both offers. Question number 2, as financial consultant for Hilal, which offer would you recommend for him? And justify your answer. We will go one by one, okay? For the first question, we need to find the compound amount and interest for both package. So, with the info that we have been collected from the question for package A, which is P is the original principal equals to 20,000 ringgit, the nominal rate, which is K, are equal to 8.55%, which can also be calculated as 0.0855, M equals to 6, and T is equal to 3. Before we find the compound amount and interest, we need to find the interest rate first. We will use I equals to K over M. So we substitute K with 0.0855 over M with 6. So we will get 57 over 4,000. Next, we need to find the number of interest period. So we use the formula N equals to MT. Then we substitute M equals 6 and T equals to 3. Then we will get 18. So now to find the compound amount which is S, we need to use the formula S equals to P multiply 1 plus I power N. Now we substitute P with 20,000, I with 57 over 4,000, and N with 18. Then we will get S equal to 25,801 ringgit and 22 cents. After finding S, we need to use the formula I capital equal to S minus P to find the interest amount. With S equal to 25,801 ringgit and 22 cents and P equal to 20,000, we will get 5,801 ringgit and 25 cents for the interest amount. For the package B, the principal amount is 20,000 ringgit. K is 6.2%, which also can be 0.062. M equals to 12 and T equals to 3. The interest rate is 31 over 6,000, and the N, which is the number of interest period, is 36. To find the compound amount for package B, we will use the same formula, which is S equals P multiply 1 plus I power N. Then we will put the information in the formula, and we will get 24,076 ringgit and 91 cents. Next, to find the interest amount, we will use the formula I capital equals S minus P, with S is 24,076 ringgit and 91 cents, and minus P, which is 20,000, and we will get 4,076 ringgit and 91 cents. So for this question, as a financial consultant for Hilal, I would like recommend package A for him because the interest of package A is higher than interest in the package B.
Okay, so for the part B, question 1, Aira makes a loan of 95,000 ringgit to renovate her house, and she is charged 5% compounded monthly. If she pays 700 every month to settle her loan, find the number of payments she must make. So we must use the formula A equals to R in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I divided by I and power of negative n. So the information that we get from this question is A equals to 95,000, R equals to 700, and I equals to 0.05 divided by 12. So we must find the negative n, find the number of payment. Okay, so after put all the information into formula, we get the answer is 1.004167 negative n equals to 0.4345. But if we want to find the negative n, we have to use the log. So after using the log, the final answer is 200. So Aira must make 200 payment to settle the loan.
So, for the question number 2, part B, Amma borrowed 40,000 ringgit from a bank that charged interest at 2.5% compounded monthly. The loan will be repaid by a monthly installment for 3 years. Find the monthly payment. Before we solve this question, we first need to list out all the information that we get from the equation. So, A equals to 40,000 ringgit, K equals to 2.5%, which can be 0.025, M equals to 12, T equals to 3, and R is the answer that we will be looking for. First, we need to find the interest rate, which is I equals to K over M. So, with the info that we have collected, we can substitute K equals 0.025 and over M equals 12. Then we will get 1 over 480. After that, we need to find the number of interest payment. So, we will use the formula N equals MT. Like before, we substitute M equals 12 and T equals 3, so we will get 36. Now, to find the monthly payment, which is R, we need to use the formula A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of minus N over I. With the info that we have collected, we substitute A with 40,000 ringgit, I with 1 over 480, and N with 36. After calculating, the final answer will be R equals to 1,154 ringgit and 40 cents.
Part B, question 3. Number 1. A superbike is purchased by using hire and purchase loan. The loan should be paid for 8% years with monthly installment of Rm 2,800. The interest charge was 2.7% compounded monthly. Calculate the land amount. So we are going to use this formula. A is what we want to find. So just put all the information into the formula, just like always, which is R, the monthly installment, equals to 2,800, K equals to 0.027, M equals to 12 because of compounded monthly, and T equals to 8, and N equals to 12 times 8 equals to 96. I equals to 0.02 divided by 12 equals to 0.00225. After that, just use your calculator to solve the equation, and the answer will be 241,508 ringgit 31 cent. Number 2. If the buyer fails to pay for the first 3 monthly installments, how much should the buyer pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? For this question, it's a special case question, so we are going to use this formula to solve the question given. For this question, we are going to find S, which is the future value of anything. So R is the periodic payment equals to 2,800, and I equals to K over M equals to 0.00225, and N equals to 4. So just substitute all the values in the formula and then just use the calculator to find the answer. Just like that, we got S equals to RM 11,237.86 cents.